Hello folks. Well, today is mail call day, and I want to share this with you because it comes from a friend of mine. And a special thank you to Troy LaPlante for sending this package. And you know what? It's totally awesome. Awesome! Wow. Alright. Here we go. Let me read a little bit of like that. Oh, this is Mr. Announcer. That's for you, Mr. Announcer.
I got a card?
You got a card, and I'll steal the rest. All right, here we go. Here is the Diplomat.
Magnum?
Magnum, yeah.
That one belongs to me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
There must be some confusion here.
This Diplomat Magnum is for you, signed Troy.
What a drag. Huh. I see.
I'll let you review it, though.
I see. Ah. But Troy did.
Oh, just in case you missed it. See? For Mr. Announcer.
Yeah. Okay. I hope that this is not broken because this came out. Yes, I'm saying. It looks okay. I need to carefully wrap it off the nib. Got stuck with the cap. So, I did not do this. So, here we go. Here we go. This is something that Troy did, and I hope it wasn't ruined. And this. There it is. Okay, but this is a desk pen. So, and that goes like that. Supposedly, anyway. Okay. Wow.
Okay.
This is a desk pen. Like that. And then you write like that. And it's made in the USA.
Probably meant to go and stick in a base.
Yes, which I have one. Or two. I think I picked those up at Rustic Relics. I need to put that little washer on the end, but you can read that and see what it is, Mr. Announcer, if that doesn't affect your mentality there.
Oh, okay. I also wanted to send you this desk pen. I bought a lot of 10 of them and wanted to give a few away to some friends after restoring them. This one took some extra effort in setting the nib, but I did not give up on it. It is unbranded except for the nib.
Okay. Here we go. Now, if I can ever loosen that thing up, I'll be fine. Here we go. Okay, there's that. And that. And that. Now, let me put this together again. There we go. Let me just look at that for a minute, okay? Now, it should work even better now. That's going to fill the gap right there.
Oh, that's a nice touch to it. Breaks up the color.
And it breaks up the gap right there, too, completely. So there's no gap there because the ring goes there. And I can't wait to fill that baby up. It's a dip test, okay? I can dip test it, and it's also a dip pen, I didn't fill the sack, Just dip tested. He did. That's all he did was just dip tested. Da da da. It's a Waterman. Black after some. Nib work. Okay. Da da da. Much better, smoother. Okay. Troy. All right. Now. That's mine. Here we go. Now, the shirt. All right, baby, here it goes.
Back. Selma, North Carolina.
Selma. I call it Salmon.
You're wrong. Sorry.
I've always called it Salmon.
Selma, not Salem. Yes.
I always call it Salmon. Yeah, Salmon, not Salem and all that. Salmon.
Okay.
Isn't that weird?
Yes.
I don't know why I started doing that, but that was when I was a kid. Salmon.
You do have a few language challenges.
I have a few language challenges. That's a salmon right there in Detroit. That's a salmon. But it does say North Carolina.
Very good.
I've always said that correctly. And it's not Salomon or Suleiman, it's Salmon. Okay.
It's nice looking, yes.
It's not good looking. Okay. Now we move on to number 2. And I can't tell you a whole lot about this pen. Just a little bit. Because I'll give it all away.
Fountain pen revolution.
Now, I will not unveil this pen till I get ready to review it. But you have seen some similar pens to this. Like, I think a Pilot or a Sailor. Or, that's enough names. I think I'll say that. It might give away this pen, but this pen's on loan, and it will go back to Fountain Pen Revolution. I hope. So that's my only problem, Kevin. That's my only problem, buddy. But I'll get this back to you. I promise. Kind of. All right. So here it is. So that'll do it. Be safe. God bless. Take care. Have a cool ride, and peace and love. And don't touch and drive. Bye-bye.